Kublilok matasi ngin ya kendo iwe perlok Anurag Banerjee u photographer u bala bawa ki kam jong om tan hang ni po region in re ru wat shabar re ba la khala he san hang ni po Shillong but hakani ga kenti udan hang ni Shillong banda kadal jo ka jingi jong yakani kri khasi jungi hang ni ka weni kam jong on pelait pat ba ha ka lai terik menta u banai June ka bomut hakasi thoding ba mata kasi ngili kendo yu ban tip kham panya spang kani Don hang ni menta bat ni perlok drai Anurag penmi ya kani ko ikot kani kan no ko jingai men sim le se namar ba wadangan mo phine ki babun na pring jingi ki bajule ini ki nongshondur di mobile ki ikut di mobile dab natang se ibu status ko mutu rukna o batri ma ban shondur bodang di umso ante we see the light there get a proper light yes Anurag here he is a photographer he does everything photographing can you tell us a little bit about the book I
The book is essentially about the idea of home. My home happens to be Shillong. So it is about Shillong. It is my love letter to Shillong.
The thing that impressed me the most is the colors that you use.
The colors that you spoke about are the colors that I grew up with. The colors of the sky, the colors of the seasons, the colors of the jacaranda blooms in May, the colors of cherry blossoms in November. A photo book is like any other book, like a storybook, like a novel, like a book of poems. It has a beginning, middle and end. It is a narrative book. It uses images to tell a story, to convey an emotion.
So haka photo book la ban yo itu kajing snoti itu kajing ketik mensim. Kalau ka album teman ripat kapher bat. And then yeah, for all of our friends out there who are not from Shillong maybe, this book can explain what Shillong is. And then the best part of the book that that really connects me is the weather that you've that you shot, the clouds and all that. One of the photos taken from Lime Kra, I could see everything there, the residential part of Lime Kra, and then you have the school there, you have the cathedral there, we can see
the hills in the background.
The hills in the background and then the lights and then the clouds and everything.
Clouds, exactly.
So many things in one frame. And I know there are a lot of photographers out there who are really good and talented in all these fields, and I know that you know of a photo book, so why not just make one? Right?
Absolutely. I hope this is a starting point.
Yes.
I hope there'll be many more books from Shillong. I hope there'll be many more books from the region because there's some fantastic work out there and you need to put them together in a book.
On the 3rd, Anurag will be launching this book. And if you want to know more about the book and the author himself to speak, people can come Klabanyawan about Dylan's Cafe, right?
Dylan's Cafe, 6 p.m. Friday.
Mark here is also a photographer. Niru di su photographer bishir khaiba. Na nadum no filabo ban le photo book mo fi. Oh, ta shir khai dikhna.
Keep shooting, keep asking, be curious, and home is where the heart is, and this is where my heart is.
And I'll keep his Instagram account down in the description below, so you can follow him and get to know more of his works. Again, he's based in Mumbai, but his heart is here in Shillong. And we hope to see more books.
Absolutely.
And I'll be competing with him in the market later.
Cannot wait. I'll be ready.
These are available on a very limited edition.
Grab your copy now.
Yes. And there is a special concession for
Shillong.
students. For Shillong?
And for Shillong and for students.
For Shillong and students. This is the book. Kani deka kot katang photo book. Can you just show the first page?
That's the
yes.
Of
the book. Nice.
Which
okay. Rain outside and thunder inside.
Yes.